Hey there, dog lovers! Welcome back to Yekni. Today, we have an action-packed video all about the incredible Belgian Malinois. These dogs are simply amazing, and we're going to dive deep into their fascinating characteristics, athleticism, and what it's like to own one. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the Belgian Malinois' origin and appearance. The Belgian Malinois, also known as the Belgian Shepherd Dog, Malinois, is a remarkable breed that originated in Belgium. Bred for herding livestock, these intelligent and versatile dogs quickly gained recognition for their exceptional work ethic and trainability. Their name derives from the region of Malines, where they were first developed. Belgian Malinois have a well-proportioned body with a muscular build and a graceful yet robust appearance. Their short coat is dense and weather-resistant, typically ranging in color from fawn to mahogany with black markings on the muzzle and ears. Males typically stand between 24 to 26 inches tall at the shoulder, while females are slightly smaller, ranging from 22 to 24 inches. Belgian Malinois are highly intelligent dogs with a keen ability to learn and problem solve. This intelligence, combined with their strong drive to work, makes them exceptional in various working roles. They are often employed in law enforcement, military operations, search and rescue missions, and detection work. Their exceptional scenting ability, agility, and quick thinking enable them to excel in these tasks. Belgian Malinois have a strong desire to please their handlers and are highly trainable. They are known for their ability to quickly learn and master complex tasks, making them valuable assets in working environments. Belgian Malinois are truly amazing athletes, displaying a remarkable combination of speed, agility, and endurance. Their athletic prowess is evident in their graceful and fluid movements. Whether it's leaping over obstacles in agility courses or swiftly changing direction during obedience trials, their physical capabilities are simply awe-inspiring. Belgian Malinois possess a natural drive to perform at their best, and their bodies are perfectly designed to meet the demands of rigorous physical activities. They have strong, well-muscled limbs and a sturdy frame that allows them to perform with precision and power. The power of the Belgian Malinois is evident in their physical strength and presence. They have a robust build that enables them to tackle challenging tasks with ease. Their strong jaws and bite force contribute to their effectiveness in protection work and apprehension tasks. Belgian Malinois are known for their unwavering determination and courage, making them powerful and formidable opponents when faced with threats or challenges. Their power, combined with their intelligence and trainability, allows them to excel in various working roles that require physical strength and mental acuity. Owning a Belgian Malinois comes with numerous advantages. One of their most notable attributes is their intelligence. These dogs are highly perceptive and have an incredible ability to understand and respond to commands. They are quick learners and thrive on mental stimulation. Their intelligence, combined with their trainability, allows them to be versatile in different environments and tasks. Whether it's learning complex obedience routines, mastering scent detection techniques, or adapting to new situations, Belgian Malinois are known for their ability to quickly grasp new concepts. Loyalty is another prominent characteristic of the Belgian Malinois. They form strong bonds with their owners and are fiercely devoted to their families. This loyalty extends to their protective nature, as they will go to great lengths to ensure the safety and well-being of their loved ones. Belgian Malinois are excellent watchdogs, always on alert and ready to sound the alarm if they sense any potential danger. Their protective instincts, coupled with their intelligence and physical capabilities, make them reliable and trusted guardians. Furthermore, Belgian Malinois possess an impressive work ethic. They have a natural drive to perform and excel in tasks. Whether it's in a working environment or during training sessions, they approach their duties with enthusiasm and dedication. This work ethic, combined with their intelligence and physical abilities, makes them highly sought after in various professional roles. Belgian Malinois are known for their exceptional performance in law enforcement, search and rescue operations, and military operations. Their relentless drive, focus, and stamina enable them to work tirelessly for extended periods, often in challenging conditions. They have an innate desire to fulfill their purpose and please their handlers, making them valuable assets in high-pressure situations. It is important to note that owning a Belgian Malinois requires commitment and dedication. These dogs have high energy levels and require regular exercise and mental stimulation to thrive. They are not well suited for sedentary lifestyles or households with limited time for physical activities. Belgian Malinois excel when given opportunities to channel their energy and utilize their intelligence. Engaging them in activities such as long walks, jogging, obedience training, agility courses, or advanced scent work can help satisfy their physical and mental needs. While Belgian Malinois are loyal and protective, their strong instincts and high drive may require careful management, particularly in households with children or other pets. Early socialization is crucial to help them develop appropriate behaviors and ensure they interact well with others. Supervision and proper introductions are necessary when introducing them to new people or animals. Additionally, their protective nature may result in being reserved or cautious around strangers. This should be taken into consideration when planning social outings or inviting guests into your home. It is worth noting that Belgian Malinois thrive in environments where they have a clear purpose or job to fulfill. They are not typically content with just being companion pets. Their intelligence and drive require regular mental stimulation and engagement. Without a sense of purpose or outlets for their energy, they may become bored or exhibit destructive behaviors. Providing them with structured training, interactive toys, and challenging tasks can help fulfill their need for mental stimulation and prevent behavioral issues. In terms of health considerations, Belgian Malinois are generally a healthy breed. However, like all dogs, they can be prone to certain genetic health conditions. Common issues that may affect them include hip and elbow dysplasia, progressive retinal atrophy, and allergies. Regular veterinary checkups, a balanced diet, and appropriate exercise are important for maintaining their overall well-being. Responsible breeding practices such as health screenings and selecting dogs with sound genetic backgrounds can help minimize the risk of inheriting these conditions. Belgian Malinois are remarkable dogs with a range of exceptional qualities. Their intelligence, athleticism, power, loyalty, and work ethic make them well-suited for various roles, including law enforcement, search and rescue, and military work. They require active and dedicated owners who can provide them with the exercise, mental stimulation, and training they need to thrive. When properly cared for and given a purpose, Belgian Malinois can be incredible companions, reliable working partners, and loving family members. We highly value your thoughts on the Belgian Malinois breed. Your opinion matters to us. Please share it in the comments section. Watch the next video coming up on how to choose the ideal dog breed just for you and for your family.